Hello, Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Shajil Khan, and today we have a new topic: how to add change password option in application Oracle Apex. So, first of all, I'm already use database table. My table name is user login. For use this table for the login purpose. So, let's suppose I'm login for this user ID 1001 and this password abc123. So look at successfully login, and we add the I'm already at the scenario when user login. So get the user ID in the session. So look at, this is my session value. We get the ID for the user ID. Okay, so if you use this scenario for the get the id user id, if you use another scenario, and so on as you work. Okay, now move on, create a new page, and blank page, change password, change password. Okay, now create a region for this page, region, change password, and now create three page items, 1, 2, and 3. First of all, first item, this old password. Okay, and second now is new password, and third now is confirm password. Confirm password, new password, and old password. And you may have changed this type password, password, and this password. Okay, and create one button for updating the password. So update password. Okay, now go to the word file. First of all, check all password validation. If user change the password and input the old password, and all password does not match with the database table password, so show the notification message for the checking the old password. So we use the this function body return boolean, declare one variable for check old password, and use this select current password, your uh, table password, and where this code for the session code, otherwise your user id. Okay, when user login any user id, so use this id for function body, and add the condition if trim all password. A trim, I'm using trim because if space any in the password, so remove this trim. Otherwise, if you use trim password as you wish. So if trim old password is equal to this old password variable password, then return to, else return false. So first of all, copy this and go to the validation old password and create a validation and check old password and add function return boolean and paste this password and go to the table user login. This is my table name, change, and this is my table column password. I'm using this. Okay, and this is user ID, change to user ID, and I'm using is equal my session set value. Forget the user ID, so use this session application item for this. Okay, and change the old password is equal to this variable. This variable means table user password match, so return true else return false. Okay, and input the message, error message, all password does not match. Okay, now move the new password, and when user input the new password and confirm password, so we check the new password and confirm password are same. Okay, so we add the new validation for the new password and confirm password. We add this check new and confirm password match using PL SQL expression, this function. Okay, so create a validation and PLS and new password is equal to confirm password. Okay, and copy new password not match. Okay, and same this validation used to confirm password. Confirm password not match with new password. Okay, new password not match with confirm password. Okay, and create a process for updating if all validation uh, successfully completed. So update the password, so update my table name, set u password is equal confirm password, where user id is equal this user id my session application id. Okay, update. And when press button, update. Okay, now my password is abc123. Okay, let's suppose I'm input abc12. Okay, now change in the password into the text field for the learning. So change into text field for the easily uh, guidelines. So input abc12 test12 test123. When change the password, so first of all password does not match. So first of all we change this password. So 123 input and press update password. So all passwords successfully match into database password. Now change this password. New password and confirm password does not match. So let's suppose input 3 and change the 4, so does not match. So when input this 123 same password and update, so update password successfully. Look at password successfully, and use this page into any navigation menu and any option for you see the user. Okay, so hope you clearly how to change password in the application and how to check the all password match into the database password. So thank you for watching video. That's all.